Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through various functionalities of Canvas, including how to enter the classroom, view the syllabus, watch lecture videos, participate in discussions, submit assignments, check your grades, and enter Zoom classrooms. Let's dive right in. Entering the classroom. Once you log in, you'll find your registered classes listed at the bottom of the dashboard. Click on the class you need, and you will be taken to the modules page, which is your starting point. Here, you can access lecture videos, engage in discussions, and submit assignments. Most of your course activities will be centered around this modules page. Viewing the syllabus. To check your syllabus, look at the left-hand course navigation menu on the Canvas page. Click on the syllabus menu. Most syllabi are uploaded as files. Simply click on the file to view the syllabus. You can zoom in and out, navigate between pages, and even download the document for offline access. Watching lecture videos. You can view lecture videos directly from the modules menu. There's no need to navigate elsewhere. Simply click on the weekly lecture video link posted in the module. For online-only courses, videos are updated every Monday morning. And for blended courses, they are available within 24 hours after the live session. Participating in discussions. For discussions, go to the respective weekly discussion thread in the modules. Read the topic posted by your professor, think about your response, and click reply to contribute your thoughts. You can attach files or add images and links using the attach option on the left. Once you're ready, click post reply to submit your comment. You can also engage with replies from other students and continue the discussion by responding to their comments. Submitting assignments. To submit assignments, such as midterms, finals, or reading tasks, click on the relevant assignment in the modules. To start your submission, click Start Assignment at the top right, upload your files, and click Submit Assignment at the bottom. It's recommended to use Word or PDF files for submissions. You can also check all assignments via the Assignments link in the course navigation menu. Checking grades. To check your grades, navigate to Grades in the left-hand menu. Here, you can view the scores and feedback for your submitted assignments. Using Zoom for blended classes. For those in blended courses using Zoom, all Zoom classes are accessible through the specific course's Zoom room. Look for Zoom Classroom at the bottom of the left navigation menu. Clicking there will show a screen with an option to open in new tab, allowing you to enter the Zoom Classroom. That's all for our Canvas tutorial. We hope this video makes it easier for you to navigate and use Canvas effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Department of Distance Education. Thank you for watching.